Welcome back everyone, hope you're good. How's things? Welcome back to the channel my friends. If you just landed on us, thank you once again. If you're new around here, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe down below. If you don't know us, we are converting a long wheelbase 2019 crafter van into a little camper van. And I even now have to go like that to show you the front. I'm trying to walk down the aisle here, but I'm walking on all these decking boards, so you know what time it is, my friends. It's time to probably get on the roof. It's not raining. Relatively blue skies up there. Time to get on the roof, my friends. But it's hard to get out of the van. It's becoming nice and warm, cosy. There's nice foam here. I've got coffee. We're chilling. It's becoming very nice, my friends. We've got a few little bits to do. We've got bits to wire up here. Little 12 volt to fit. We pick up some more of these slats tomorrow morning, I think. So we'll be able to stay in them and crack on doing the ceiling. Oh, it's all kicking off, my friends. It's all going really well. But I hope you're keeping well. Hope you're good. Once again, thank you once again. Totally appreciate you here on the channel, my friends. So yeah, let's crack on with some content. Also, just on one of these side notes, we brought back up to the van. These were the original door cards. You know, like the door linings that go here, there. There's a couple up there. They go back in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to lie loads of tongue and groove down, trace round them all, and then fit the tongue and groove boards into there, then paint them all white, because we think it'd be nicer than carpeting. And we're just going to leave the rest like a metal. Like in our last van we did, you can 100% have a go at carpeting, but I found that when we cut the hole out for the last one, we come to an edge here, and there's almost like the worst little crimp ever. It was said if you can't put any tension on, because you got to the edge and it was like a crimp, it's horrible. The worst thing about getting back into work on a particular job, there's the little round piece we need as our spacer, is literally finding all the tools that we had to crack on with the job before. Very good. Yes, mate. Oh, I don't know, they come in December, don't they? Last year they come in December on my birthday, I think. Okay, so as I'm sat here right now editing, nice reading. As I'm sat here editing in my little setup here, I haven't even done an ending. I know, can you actually believe that? I'm not even doing an ending. I'm sat here, I'm thinking, hang on a minute, where's the ending? I've searched through all the footage, I haven't even done an ending. So this will be it, my friends, from the comfort of my own home. If you enjoy the video, as always, please like it. Subscribe down below. It's nice to have you back on the channel, my friends. And until the next one, I'll see you there, okay?